The camera is at the bottom end. To take a video, press the power button once until the device vibrates twice. Now it's filming. Hi there, welcome to the Spy Store. Today we'll be looking at our new key fob camera. In the box you will get the key fob itself, charging cable, and you will get a USB device that will help you put your SD card into your computer. It has 3 buttons: your power button, your motion picture button, and your photograph button. Firstly, you want to open the device by pulling off the top SD card charging port. To power the device on, you press and hold the power button until it vibrates. You want the device to go into standby mode. To get it into standby mode, you'll want to press the power button once and it's vibrating, and you'll have the blue light consistently on. Now you can take a video. To take a video, press the power button once until the device vibrates twice. Now it's filming. The camera is at the bottom end. To stop recording, press the power button again. It'll vibrate once. You're back to standby mode. If you want to take a photo, point the camera at whatever one you want to take a photo of, press the button. Now, if you want to leave the device on a table somewhere, you'll place it down and press the middle button and it will vibrate and you're in motion detect mode. To take it out of motion detect mode, just press the middle button again until it vibrates and you're back to standby mode. To turn the device off, you want to press the power button and hold it until the device buzzes 3 times and it's off. To close the device up, just clip that on and you can put that on your keyring. If you have any other questions, feel free to contact our customer support team. Thank you.